Spectrum Wi-Fi 6 routers offer both web-based and app-based access for managing your network. To access the admin page via a web browser, first identify your router's IP address. This is typically 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. You can find it on a sticker on your router or by using the command prompt ipconfig on Windows. Enter the IP address into your browser's address bar. You will be prompted for a username and password. The default is often admin for both, but it's crucial to change this for security. Alternatively, download the My Spectrum app, link it to your account, and manage your router settings from your smartphone, often bypassing the direct IP login. Once logged in, you can configure various settings, including Wi-Fi passwords, network names, and parental controls. Immediately change the default username and password to prevent unauthorized access. Enable WPA3 encryption for enhanced security. Explore features like guest networks to provide internet access without sharing your primary password. Regularly update your router's firmware to patch vulnerabilities. The My Spectrum app offers AI-driven optimization and remote management, providing a user-friendly alternative to the web interface. If you encounter login issues, ensure you are connected via Ethernet and clear your browser's cache. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support at 1-855-478-6789.